Now let's move on to the second part of the polynomials lecture, which is operations. So how do we add and subtract polynomials? We can add and subtract algebraic expressions by using grouping symbols, removing them and then combining like terms. So for example, let's have this. Find the sum of x cubed minus 4x squared plus 2x plus 5 and x raised to 4 minus 2x cubed plus x squared minus 2x plus 2. So first we put both expressions inside grouping symbols and then adding them. Pero actually, we can just remove the grouping symbols afterwards. And then, pagsasamahin natin yung mga like terms. So, yung mga may parehong literal coefficient. And then remember, we can combine like terms by adding their numerical coefficients. So, yung x raised to 4, siya lang mag-isa. So, x raised to 4 pa rin siya. Yung x cubed minus 2x cubed magiging negative x cubed. Kasi 1 minus 2 is equal to negative 1. Tapos yung negative 4x squared plus x squared magiging negative 3x squared because negative 4 plus 1 equals negative 3. Tapos itong 2x minus 2x, mawawala na siya. Tapos 5 plus 2, 7. So, paano naman kapag subtraction? Ganun pa rin, ilalagay sa grouping symbols. Tapos minus naman. Pero, kapag tatanggalin na natin grouping symbols, i-distribute natin yung negative sign sa mga nasa loob ng grouping symbol na kasunod niya. How do we do that? We do that by changing the signs of the terms. So, yung 5xy magiging negative 5xy, yung 3x magiging negative 3x, yung y magiging negative y, yung negative 2 magiging positive 2. And then again, we just combine like terms. And so, we have this. Another way to add and subtract is to arrange the terms in each expression such that similar terms would be in the same column bago natin sila i-add or subtract. So, for example, find the sum of 3z plus 2y minus x plus 4 and negative 10 plus 7x plus y. So, tagay muna natin yung first expression. Tapos, isulat natin yung second expression in such a way na magkakapantay yung mga like terms. So, yung negative 10, kapantay nga yung 4, yung 7x, kapantay nga yung negative x, yung y, kapantay nga yung 2y. Para madali na lang i-add. So, 3z, siya lang mag-isa, 3z, pa rin siya. So, 2y plus y, 3y, negative x plus 7x, 6x, 4 minus 10, negative 6. So, ayan na yun. So, let's try naman subtraction. So, this is the minuend and then the subtrahend. So, yung 3x cube, wala siyang kapantay kasi wala namang term sa minuend na merong literal coefficient na x cube. Tapos, itong 4x squared, kapantay nga yung x squared. Yung negative 4, kapantay nga yung negative 16. Tapos, isusubtract na natin. So, magiging negative 3x cube yung minus 3x cube. We can imagine na it's 0 minus 3x cube. Tapos, negative x squared minus 4x squared, that's negative 5x squared. Tapos 8x minus 0, 8x. Negative 16 minus negative 4, negative 12. Pwede rin na kapag nagsusubtract tayo, i-multiply na lang natin agad sa negative 1 yung subtrahen, tapos gawin na lang natin siyang addition. So, same example pa rin. Pero this time, i-distribute na natin agad yung negative 1. So, imbes na 3x cube, magiging negative 3x cube. Tapos yung 4x squared, magiging negative 4x squared. Yung negative 4, magiging 4. And yung subtraction, magiging addition. And then we will get the same answer. That's the end of the second part of our lecture about polynomials. Thank you so much for watching.